Good morning, everyone. Today is July 24. So I'm gonna peel this papaya. It's happened when I cut the end, both ends, back end. I noticed there's a hole. So I wonder, and I was staring at it earlier, and I noticed I overcut. That's why there's hole already. So now I'm gonna peel this. I wanna see what's it look inside. I hope it's okay. I got this papaya the other day at the market. I use the peeler to peel because I just wanna eat easily. Sometimes you can't get a good one, even it look like ripe, but once you open it, it's not good inside. It's kind of slippery. I'm making a mess. I tried to plant papaya here, but it won't last long because month of October it start getting cold, so the papaya won't survive in a cold weather unless I plant it in the pot. Then on winter time I have to put in a garage. But the thing, that's too much to do because the pot is gonna be heavy, because you have to plant this in a big pot, and you have to keep doing that every time. You have to put it back outside, and then on winter time you have to put it back inside the house. Okay, let's see what's inside. Oh, look at that. You see how many seeds in it? 1 seeds from this one and 4 seeds on this one. Wow. Let's see. Let's start taste it. Very sweet. Yummy. Very, very sweet. Wow. Oh, there's another one. So there's 6 pieces of seeds in this papaya. Very good. And I got too much fruits in here. I want to show you what I got. What fruit I got? I got watermelon, blueberry, cherry, mango, and pomegranate. See how big the pomegranate is? This one is almost $5, just this one. But this is good. And I have mango. This is hard to peel if you just gonna peel it like this without using knife, because the skin is very thin. So I have to use the knife to remove the peel before I can eat it. And friends, look at this. I have the Korean cantaloupe. I got a vine, and I got this from my vine. I already harvested one the other day, and this is my second one. And this is very crunchy, so I just have to wait until it gets yellow. It's almost getting ripe. So eat healthy. All right, everyone. See you. Have a blessed day. Babu.